Hi, I'm Ellyn, lead teacher and software engineer at Wagon here in Amsterdam. Voilà. Yeah, so it's been my ride at Wagon has been a hell of a ride. After I actually finished my bootcamp, I started as a teacher assistant, freelancing and then teaching a bit everywhere in the world. And I managed the city of Barcelona for around 2 years. And recently in January, I started in the engineering team in Amsterdam. My favorite thing about Wagon, I think it's about learning, passionate people and thriving, I would say. They are like the things that I really love about Wagon. So I actually did both programs in Wagon out of genuine curiosity. For the first time for web development that introduced in the world of tech. It was for me like kind of a digital passport in the digital world. And then data was last year, and it was just out of curiosity to learn more about these buzzwords that we usually hear, especially in the business world. And I don't like buzzwords, so I really wanted to understand what was behind all of these complex words that people say but don't generally understand. I think for me what I love about Wagon is the education field. I think we are a community of change makers, and if you want to change the world, no matter in which field or what you want to do, the first tool you should think of is coding, and the main support you should think of is education. So that's the why I am still in this company. So I discovered coding when I was traveling in 2016, meeting some people that were already developers, and also I got in touch with coding with my grandfather in Haiti that is in charge of a school, and he built his entire system with coding and still maintaining it at the age of 85. So voilà.